We are currently here in Culver City. I'm gonna attend, it's a YouTube creator dinner. We're gonna be having dinner at a restaurant called Rush. It's always great to keep learning. I really truly enjoy going to these events. Happy Wednesday. Today is the very last day with the 2018 Miata MX-5 RF courtesy of Mazda USA. Thankfully, it is not raining today, so we're gonna take this baby out for one last spin over to Six Flags. It's a bit windy, but sun's out.
We're trying to fill the holes in our souls. Trying to feel the music, let it take control. Stuck on the bottom, trying to feel on top.
We are now having, the camera almost fell, but you guys almost fell. So we are at King Kogy here in Valencia. We looked it up on Yelp, and also Darren's friend said it's pretty good. These are fried plantains. We also are sharing some french fries. I don't even remember the name of this, what I got. Do you remember the name?
It's like the Kogy.
Something. I'm gonna put the name on here, but dang, that looks delicious. And all of this was only $13. Not bad. And you know, if we go to Six Flags, we always need to hit up Boba Master. This is the Oreo smoothie. It is so good, you guys. So unfortunately, today was our very last day testing out the 2018 Miata MX-5 RF, care of Mazda USA. It's in the color Soul Red Crystal Metallic. It's a keyless entry car and it's a two-seater. It's a hardtop. So the RF stands for retractable fastback. It takes about, I want to say about 13 to 15 seconds to completely open and close the top. Now, this car is a head turner. The color of this car is unlike any other red I've seen. I was also informed that the specific color of this car is a signature color of Mazda. So kudos to Mazda for this beautiful red because it definitely stands out. Here's an overview of the interior of the vehicle. It has the tan with black leather trimming. Again, it's a two-seater, but the best thing about this car is that it's a manual transmission car with a 6-gear shifter, and this was definitely on my bucket list of cars to test out. Thankful that I can now check that off my list. So right here in the center, it's right in between both of the seats, you have your glove compartment. Beneath that is a CD player and a cup holder. Right in the center, you have a space for maybe your garage door opener, as well as, you know, I'd put my sunglasses in there. And you have the center controls for the volume turn knob, which you can navigate anything on the LCD monitor. Here's an overview of the passenger seat. My son would push his seat all the way back, so it is pretty compact, but again, it's a sports car, so it's definitely an outstanding vehicle. I also wanted to point out the beautiful racing pedals on the driver's side and the way how the Miata purrs. The first time I drove this car, I couldn't figure out how to put it in reverse. So you basically push it down, push it to the left, and then all the way up. And then you have the gears 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's take you guys now to the back of the car. It has a pretty decent amount for being a compact sports car. It has a pretty good trunk space. Since the Miata is a sports car, it takes premium fuel. However, it doesn't consume a lot of gas, which I found very surprising, and that's always a good thing, especially it's a sports car. So you also have 2 ports here for USB charging, as well as seat warmers for both the passenger and the driver. It also has the blind spot indicator on both side view mirrors, as well as the lane assistance, which I think is very important, especially when you're driving a Miata. I just wanted to show you guys quickly a view when you are checking your blind spot. The family and I absolutely enjoyed driving the 2018 Miata MX-5 RF. It is an amazingly beautiful vehicle. I have nothing but wonderful things to say about it. Thank you so much to Mazda USA for giving us the opportunity to test it out for a week. Today today is officially beach day. We haven't had a beach day in a very long time. It's been a couple of years. This was actually Darren's request. He wanted to go to the beach. We're here at Zuma and it's so nice. I don't think I've been to Zuma in a very long time. My area, my husband's area, look at that, he's like underneath the umbrella. He doesn't want to be in the sun, but that's a good thing. But I have a hat. I also have my products. This product, which is absolutely essential, the Zinc It Over. So you can spray this over your face every 2 hours. Contains SPF 25. Derren is, where is he? He is all the way out there. This would be like a really good opportunity where we can kind of just chat for a bit because I tilted the umbrella over, so hopefully you guys can hear me, and I got on my sunnies, so hopefully it's not really dark. But this is honestly like one of those really rare moments where the three of us have gone to the beach. I think it's been a good couple of years since we've all actually gone down to the beach. Somebody's in the water and we have all of our stuff. Last summer, I think the past 2 summers, we didn't even do that. Excuse my little hat, by the way. This is actually my mom's gardening hat because I don't even know what happened to any of my straw hats. I couldn't find any of them. Whenever we go to the beach, we always go to the Malibu Pier. If you guys have been following us for a while, then you know we always go there. I'm glad that he decided to go here because it's really nice. I don't know why we've never been to this beach. I don't know why we always go to the Malibu Pier. Nothing against the Malibu Pier. Also was gonna catch up on YouTube videos, but I guess the internet's not that good, so it's gonna be a day of social media detox, I guess. I mean, I can still check a couple of things, but I can't really watch videos, so it's gonna be a day just to kind of chill with the fam. It's pretty good. Sugar cane juice. I remember I used to have these shoes like way back in the day. These are super comfortable. Went to Chinatown and now here we are at Boba Master in Valencia. So we went literally from Ventura County to LA, now all the way to Santa Clarita. And we're here at Boba Master. Actually, the Hubs is at home, so I'm with Derren. This is called Gal's Yogurt Smoothie. I think it's new. Have you seen this on the menu before?
I don't know.
It looks like it's new. I have no idea what's in here, but it's a little bit tart. Tart, a little bit of sweetness. I like yogurt. It's okay. I'd say it's alright.